We are sitting today with Captain Brits of Cornelia Police Station, where I came to open a case for malicious damage of property at De La Rey and being threatened with a firearm on Sunday, this past Sunday. Can't remember the date exactly. We've received a letter that says that the case is not going to be registered because there is lack of evidence in terms of what was brought in the charges. Surprisingly, there is no case that's been opened. There is no investigating officer that was registered, and but there is proof that there is no evidence without the proper criminal procedures being followed. To my surprise, when we arrive at the police station, Captain Brits, when I ask him why is it that we are not being helped even when we are being threatened with a firearm, he says he's never heard of a firearm. But when I ask him that the thing is in the statement, he confirms that he hasn't read the statement, but the case has been thrown out of the police station. Captain, how is it that you do not know that in the statement it is written that there is threat with a firearm?
All right, let me repeat what I said. This docket was discussed at the SCCF. No. All right. I was informed about the case docket and I said, before I give anything about the statement, let me send it to our legal services, which I did, and we gave you a copy of the results what I received.
Have you read it yourself, sir?
I did not read the whole
You haven't read it yourself?
No, the whole statement I did not read for myself.
So you are not aware that in that statement there is a threat with a firearm,
This is the, like
which is a criminal offense.
Yeah, this is the first time that you mentioned it to me, and it was mentioned to me that the complaint is about malicious damage to property.
And
So it was not pointed out to me that there's anything about pointing out of
the police officer that registered the case
Yes.
specifically wrote in there, even gave a clear description of what firearm was used to make the threat. If you had done your work of perusing the document, Captain, unfortunately you did not do that, you would have been able to see what is happening.
All right.
To me, it seems like there's already an intent to have this case thrown out before it even gets to court. And according to what I have read, which is what we have been given on the police services website, the police are supposed to open a case. The case is supposed to be, we're supposed to assist us open a case, give us a case number. The case is supposed to be allocated to an investigating officer. The investigating officer is supposed to even go to the farm to see whether or not there is damage on the property. The crime scene was not even visited, but yet there is a decision that is indicating that there is no damage that was done that was malicious. But there has not even been a visit to the crime scene. How is it that there can be a decision that is taken by someone who's sitting in Bloemfontein and the police who in the jurisdiction where the case was reported have not even been to the crime scene?
Right, you got a point there. Nobody attended to see. The decision was at my SCCF meeting. Stating, Captain, we are sitting here with a docket. The person wants to open a docket for malicious damage to property. Then I said, all right, let me send it for a legal opinion.
So you sent a document for a legal opinion,
yes,
without even registering a case number.
Yeah, it happens sometimes before, because if we register a case docket, we have to look at, is there all the elements of a crime to be able to register a case docket?
Isn't the process supposed to be an investigation that takes place?
All right.
The investigation, which is a crucial point in any criminal case, is the thing that is supposed to establish whether or not there's a crime.
You're correct to say that.
So what you did was wrong. What your police station did was wrong.
Sir, I want to repeat it.
Was your police station wrong or not when they didn't investigate the case?
I have to explain to you. I want to repeat it again. If there's sometimes a hesitation on a docket before we register it, if it is crime, then we send it to legal services to get opinion and wait for an outcome. Like
Sir,
in this case,
sir,
right, Leo,
Sir,
now let me talk.
if there's a crime that's been committed, you don't go to the crime scene. You don't allocate a police officer to investigate.
We do.
You just make a decision without going to the scene
Let me explain you what's
to
normal
a
procedure.
crime.
Let me explain you
Sir,
what's
sir,
normal
I think I'm
procedure.
going to stop this process. This is going to have to be reported. It's going to have to be escalated.
Good.